In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle base currency limitations in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that there is currently no manual setting in the app to change or override your base currency. Origin automatically detects your currency based on your region and connected accounts, so this cannot be adjusted directly in settings at the moment. But there's a simple workaround you can use. You can manually convert your amount into your preferred currency using any currency converter. Once you have the converted value, go back into Origin and add a new manual account. When setting it up, give it a clear name based on the currency you're tracking, for example, KRW account, if you're converting to Korean won. Then enter the converted amount as your balance. Make sure everything is accurate before saving. This way, even though you can't change the base currency, you can still track your finances in your preferred currency in a clean and organized way. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.